You ever think about a Chinese typewriter? I've never seen one before, but can you imagine what it must look like? Imagine like a typewriter for the Chinese language. Imagine how big that keyboard has to be. It'd probably be confusing. The point I'm trying to make here is that it's probably looks confusing. Now I have to Google to see if Chinese typewriters even exist. It's probably not very straightforward. That's how it can feel looking through different services and companies after you just had a disaster in your home. That's when a company like Indiana Plumbing and Drain really shines. We put forth an effort to make things streamlined and easy to understand. We want to ease your stress, not add to it. Because we care about our people. We care about you. You're our people. So if you're ready to help simplify some of that chaos, give Indiana Plumbing and Drain a call today at 317-224-7799 or visit us on the web at indyplumdrain.com. Chinese typewriter. Oh, it looks like they tried it. They tried it once and it didn't take off. Who would have guessed?